child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never, ever.
For our next rose, we have Nigel Blandel. For our next rose, we have Aldrin Blandel.
When the snow is falling down, children laughing all around, lights are turning on like a fairy tale come true. Sitting by the fire we made, you're the answer when
For our next rose, we have Jonathan Marasigan.
baby I found you. And all I want is to hold you forever. And all I need is you more every day. You save my heart.
For our next rose, we have Vince Marasigan.
You gave your love away, and I'm thankful
next rose, we have Humphrey Rojas.
You're my peace of mind in this crazy world. You're everything I've tried to find. Your love is a pearl.
For our next rose, we have Kirby Tanyo.
You're my rainbow skies, and my only prayer is that you realize you'll always be beautiful in my eyes. The world will turn
For our next rose, we have Kiran De
and the
Castro.
seasons will change, and all the lessons we will learn will be beautiful and strange. We'll have our fill of tears, our share of sighs. My only prayer is that you realize you'll
For,
always be
for our next rose, we have Angelo Buenaoba.
in my eyes. You will always be beautiful in my eyes. And the passing years will show that you will always grow ever more beautiful in my eyes.
For our next rose, we have Dave Ramos.
There are lines upon my face,
For our next rose, we have Hubert Manhilot.
lifetime and smile. When the time comes to embrace for one long last while, we can laugh about how time really flies.
For so long, you are a friend of mine. But is this all we'd ever be? I've loved you ever since you are a friend of mine. Babe, is this all we ever could be? You tell
Kaya muna, peekaboo! 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 Aba, nagkasta na pumayat na ako. Ano, baby?
Sino are? Sino are?
Hindi ka pa pwede. Kami sa noon. Hindi ka pa
Si Merian.
Ayan! Lalo si Mayan.
pangit na.
Ano natin? Ayan si Gemma.
Hello, Bu! Love you ni Papa, ano?
Ano?
Oo, dilim na. Madilim na, madilim na. Yun, yun, may bawat tudong maliliit. Puto, yung mga...
Wala ko nagod.
We are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2.
Ako, uli.
Nagpapakita ng abs.
Kaya mo lang, di mo ulo. Kaya asawa na ako. Panas.
Galit ba? Ang laki daw nung binili ko namin. Kumain ka na, ang bagal. Ang laki nga. Ay, mayo.
Ha?
Ice cream na eh.
Saan ice cream?
Kuha ko mamaya.
Pwede siya.
For our next rose, we have Eugene Daniel Jr.
Picture po.
That you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now.
For our next rose, we have Gian de Belen.
I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. Oh, friend, why are you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back. Oh, hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I had hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you.
And for the last and sweetest rose of the evening to complete our 18 roses, we have Xavier Flores.
Don't forget me, I beg. I'll remember you said sometimes it lasts in love.
You're my peace of mind in this crazy world. You're everything I've tried to you realize.
One, two, three, smile. Another one, one, two, three. Walking. Walking po, walking. Ready.
Maraming salamat pong muli sa inyong mga alay na kayamanan sa ating debutant this evening. Pinapangako po ni Nika na kanya pong gagamitin sa mabuting pamamaraan ang inyong mga alay.
It's not the rain I wear around my finger. It's nothing at all the world I need. I'll have you here beside me, so you could give me wings to fly and catch me if I fall or pull the stars down from the sky, so I could wish from them all, but I couldn't ask for more. Your love is the greatest gift of all. In your arms, I found strength inside me. In your eyes, there's a light to guide me. I would be lost without you. All of my heart could ever want to come true. So you could give me wings to fly and catch me if I fall, or pull the stars down from the sky, so I could wish on them all, but I couldn't ask for more. Your love is the greatest gift of all. You could offer me the sun, the moon, I still believe. You gave me everything, but you gave your heart to me.
Sino, Are? Hindi ko ata ito kilala. Sino ba ito? Pwede pa makipagkilala?
Management.
Hindi ka makakatulog sa bahay. Bawal pala makipagkilala sa inyo.
Napaubos ko din ang mata. Ayaw mo, ay, kita na.
Robuso kayo mo. Sa mga
Eh, baby. Wala ka narinig na. Kain na. Kain ka. Kala ko ikaw wala pa kayo. Wala pa kayo sa amin.
Wala mo yung makatayo. Oo nga, nag-aaral kami.
Mamadali ulit.
Parang ngayon mga viewers mo, makakakain sila. Kami.
Siyempre, nalasing na. Ano yung dahil ako kumain mo.
Gusto ko tubig lang eh.
Uy, ba't kayo ayaw kumuha?
Dali, ayaw kumuha. Kahit pinahihirapan niyo.
Ayaw kumuha?
Kahit gabi na.
Ginubo nga araw ko allergic sa mga sa
Sabi may kuha naman po yun. Wag.
Saan na kayo?
Huwag ka piwa.
Tutoy.
Di ko na sasayawan ang mga natitirang pa. Tutungo na kung saan naroon ang mahalaga. Akala na kailangan pa may di mawawala pagkakala kong mapa. Sa mga putalan kung saan nagmula. Tingin mo lang ako, panindigan kita, mamahalin kita. Kahit sa pagtanda ko'y sa'yo, panindigan kita. Anong sabihin ng magandang mundo?
Si Boy Bangis.
Ay kusang lalayo sa'yo, lalayo sa sumabay sa agos na isinulat ng tadhana. Nung minsan siya'y para sa iyo, pero minsan siya'y paasa. Natakbo pa palayo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Alright, thank you very much po sa ating lahat na nag-alay ng kanilang mga wishes and also ng mga ating mga treasures to our debutant this evening. And now, as the evening draws to Okay, ready po? Smile po tayo. Nating sindihan isa-isa ang ating mga kandila at sabay-sabay po tayong maghanda na kantahan si Mika ng kanyang very special song for the evening.
Pwede mo sa kabila. Sama po sa kabila. Ready?
I didn't know I was looking for love.
Dudugso ko na lang.
foundation, and our tears are consolation. Now here there's a full brass band,
Mahilig kasi ako mag-motor, mag-bike.
and if you like to
Pero meron din akong YouTube channel. Kinukuha ko din. Liba nga, pagka yung walang magawa sa bahay, pinapanood.
Alay niyo po, bigla kayo.
May kula-kula na rin 1,000 naman yung mga subscriber.
Dami na po pala.
Madami na rin matalastas ang iba.
Happy birthday! Waki!
Makakala nyo, di ako kasama dyan, no? Kasama rin ako.
Hoy, bakit na lola baby mo?
Middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of. We are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there, and I know when I need it, I can count on you. Now 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah.
As part of our 18 treasures po, we have Miss Ana Marie Alimagno to share her message po also with Nika.
I'll sing a song beside you.
Happy birthday. Sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap
Really
mo.
mean to me. Every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of. When we
Yung jowa ka nun. Uy, kuya. Hashtag ba?
Ay po, ready po. Compress po, compress.
Okay pa, ready po. Compress po tayo ng konti para makita po lahat sa pictures.
Ito po ang camera, ito po. Ready, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, another 1, 1, 2, 3, smile. Waki! Waki! Waki!
Waki!
Ready, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay po.
Alright, thank you.
Sino, are? Hindi ko ata ito kilala. Sino ba ito? Pwede pa makipagkilala?
Bawal po.
Management.
Hindi ka makakatulog sa bahay. Bawal pala magpagkilala sa iyo.
Ay, take one.